Okay, so good morning everyone. Welcome to our team meeting for today. So we are here today to talk about how we can support the learning and development of each member with regards to all the curriculum, all the things that we need to improve in our center. So as team members, each one of us have our own role that we need to do. For Miss Leslie, since you are already an experienced teacher, so I know that you still want to learn more on how you can improve your teaching. So you want to improve your teaching in terms of technology. And for Miss Judy, you want to enhance your instructional practices, right? Yeah. And for Miss Kim, since you are a new educator, so you are looking for some techniques on how you can improve your classroom management skills. So our objectives for today's meeting is to improve teaching practices of every educator, as well as to foster a culture of continuous learning, to enhance student learning outcomes, to build a strong and collaborative team, to address individual learning needs, and of course, to promote innovation and best practices. So once again, good morning. And today, I want you to tell me your opinions or thoughts on how we can improve or develop your skills in the things that you want to improve, and your preferences for how we would like to enhance our skills and knowledge. Let's start by evaluating our own performance and identifying areas for improvement. Miss Judy, would you like to share your self-evaluation and areas you would like to improve?
Sure, I believe I have strong subject knowledge, but would like to improve my student engagement strategies and incorporate more interactive activities into my lessons to enhance learning outcomes.
Thank you, Miss Judy. Miss Kim, how would you evaluate your performance, and what areas do you believe you need to work on?
Yeah, I am relative new to teaching and could like to focus in improving my classroom management skill, particular in managing student behavior and creating a positive learning environment.
Great insights, Miss Kim. And Miss Leslie, how about you? What areas do you feel you need to improve, and how would you like to enhance your teaching practice?
I have been teaching for many years and feel that I need to incorporate more technology into my lessons to engage students and enhance their learning experiences. I would like to focus on integrating digital tools and resources into my teaching.
Excellent self-evaluations, team. Now, let's discuss how each of you prefers learning to be delivered. Miss Judy, what is your preferred learning style and method for professional development?
I enjoy hands-on learning experiences and would benefit from workshops, peer observations, and collaborative learning opportunities to enhance my teaching practices.
Thank you, Miss Judy. Miss Kim, how would you like learning to be delivered to support your professional growth?
For mine, I prefer one-on-one coaching session and membership from experienced educator to provide the personalized guide for support in development my classroom and management in skill.
Yeah, okay. Understood, Miss Kim. And Miss Leslie, what is your preferred approach to learning, and how do you see technology playing a role in your professional development?
I believe in self-paced online courses and webinars to learn about new technologies and digital tools. I would also like to participate in technology-focused workshops and training sessions to enhance my skills in using technology in the classroom.
Thank you, Ms. Leslie. Your preferences will guide our learning and development initiatives moving forward. Before we end this meeting, I would like to share with you some of the skills that I have searched that workers need in the modern workplace. What are those skills and knowledge? First, pedagogical knowledge, followed by technology integration, classroom management skills, assessment and evaluation, differentiated instruction, collaboration and communication, continuous professional development. All of this knowledge and skills can be attained by each one of us if we keep on improving ourselves and if we have the initiative to learn from each other. So, let's work together to create a professional development plan that meets the individual learning needs of each team member. Together, we will support each other's growth and enhance our collective impact on student learning. Thank you, team. Always remember that together, everyone achieves more. Once again, good morning and have a good day ahead.
Thank you.